Okay, today is June 28, 2025, Saturday. May ipadadala po tayo ngayon ng siguro mga 4 or 5 pieces na big cuttings for bonsai na Illinois mulberry. And then, ito mga cuttings po ni Illinois mulberry. I think mga nasa 100 pieces more or less po yan. And then, red Himalayan mulberry na established na from Marcoted pa na tinanim 2 months ago. Yan, naglabasan ang bunga niya. At ang lahat po na yan ay going to Taguig City via Lalamove. So, yan lang po. Thank you.